Alright, it's Friday, March 29th. Done with work for the day, come home, and started back in on the 40/20 overhaul. Down in here, I don't know how well I'm going to be able to get this, but there are grooves down here for your liner packings. Well, you can kind of see there is one groove right here. I got my fingernail in it, and then you got a upper one here. Some of these blocks, the older blocks, had two grooves, and it actually took 3 O-rings. But basically, I've been just kind of cleaning away at them. You know, screwdrivers. Get down in there. You got to get your picks down in there. Get all them grooves all cleaned out. Like I said, up here, you got the where the liner sits down on the top of the block. You gotta get that all cleaned up, and that carbon buildup and everything else off of there. Get them nice and smooth. Emery paper, emery cloth. Brake clean everything down real good and clean. This is an in-frame we're doing, like I've said before. Got my head back from the machine shop today. So, and then I got my overhaul kit. Reliance. I buy mine through Endurance Power out of Lincoln, Nebraska. They've done multiple overhauls with them, and they've held together very well for me, so that's who I've been sticking with. Guess I just wanted to kind of give you an update. I'm probably just gonna keep a cleaning tonight, so that way tomorrow we'll drop the liners back down in here with without the O-rings, and then we will do a liner protrusion check that, make sure we're within spec. We should be. Everything's really cleaning up real nice on this thing, and I imagine she'll go fine, but we still got to check it just to make sure. I just kind of wanted to touch base with you on this. This is going to be probably tomorrow's project. Get going on this overhaul again. Planter, I don't know. I don't remember if I updated you after we got the ag leader is completely installed on the planter. So that is done. Spent Thursday looking up, put in furrow with the seed firmers starter fertilizer down, so I was looking for tanks and everything, because on the old planter we pulled the old one with a TW15, and we had mounted saddle tanks on it, 2-wheel drive tractor. This planter, I bumped my 8670 down to the planter. It is no longer my big horse. I got a 8870 for my big horse now, and the 8670 is going down to the planter, going on lighter duty. But that was what I did Thursday, was figured out all my fertilizer tanks and everything, pumps, and got all that ordered, and that came in today. So I don't know if I will get back out to the other shop and work on that Sunday, or if that will be maybe next week during the week after work. I really need to probably focus on this overhaul, and since I got my parts all here now, get this done, because like I said, I probably still got to split this tractor. Need to get all this done, that way the guy can have it back put on his feeder wagon so he can have his other tractors back for field work. So I guess that is kind of where we're sitting at today. I just figured I'd give you an update, and that's where we're at. Here's one of the new liners with the piston here. I did do the hyper kit is what I do. You probably can't really tell the difference on the camera, but there is quite a difference in the pistons. Makes it start easier in the cold weather, and almost at any time it makes them start easier. So been really happy with them. So guess that is all for today. I'll try to keep taking you along on the ride tomorrow. So show you the liner protrusion and how to check for that, and just keep chugging away on this. So thanks for watching, guys.